Okay. Good morning. Today we discuss demultiplexer. Okay. We know that in multiplexer are simply mux having one data input. Okay. It is having 2 to the power of n data inputs and n selection lines and one data output. Coming to the demultiplexer, inputs and outputs are reversed here. So here we will have single input, single data input and n selection lines. Two to the power of n data outputs. Okay. Opposite to the multiplexer, we have the demultiplexer, and in the multiplexer, depending upon the selection lines, the corresponding data input connected to the output. Here also, depending upon the selection lines, the single data input connected to the one of 2 to the power of n data outputs. Depending on selection line, data input connected to one of data output. Okay. Example, and the demultiplexer represented as one by two demux. Okay. 1 by 4 demux, 1 by 8 demux, like this. Okay. Now here n is the selection lines, 2 to the power of n are the data outputs. We will see one by two demultiplexer, okay, is having single input. This first one indicates input, data input, single data input, two data outputs, and this is 2 to the power of 1. This power, the power of 2 indicates selection lines. So it is one data input A and two data outputs D0, D1. And single selection line. Yes. Okay. This is the block diagram. The truth table, depending upon the selection line, outputs are D0, D1. If S is equal to 0, D0 will be A, D1 is 0. The input will be connected to the D0 if S is equal to 0. If S is equal to 1, input is connected to the D1. So D0 is 0, D1 will get whatever the A value. So now write the expression. Output expression. We have the two outputs, D0, D1. So write the D0 output. Okay, wherever the A is there, so A into S is 0, so S bar. And D0 is 0, so no need to write the next term. So this is A into S bar. Next, coming to the D1. D1 is 0, no need to write, it is A, so A into S. So that draw the internal diagram. Inputs are A and S. This is A, this is S. I'm taking this one. This is S bar. Now D0 is equal to A into S bar. This is S, this is A. And again, this is D0. Similarly, D1 is equal to A into S. This is S, this is A. This is the internal diagram. Okay. Demultiplexer is can perform the function of decoder also. Okay. Decoder with enable input is similar to the demultiplexer. Note. Decoder with enable input is same as works same as demux. Decoder with enabled input works the same as demux. Okay, this is about the demultiplexer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. The opposite action for the multiplexer is demultiplexer. So we'll go with 1/4 demux and we'll end this topic. Next, 1/4 demux. Okay. This is single output, 4 data outputs, and 4 you can write 1 into 2 square. So 2 is the selection lines. So it is having single data input A and 2 selection lines S1, S0, 4 outputs D3, D2, D1, D0. So now write the truth table. S1, S0, these are the selection lines. Outputs are 4. Now with selection line 2, we will get 4 combinations. For 0, 0, A is connected to the D0. So remaining all are 0. Only we will get D naught is equal to A. For 0, 1, remaining all 0 except to D1, D1 is A. 0, D1 is A, 0. D1 is A, D3 is A, remaining D2. Now write the expression. We have 4 outputs, D3, okay, D3 is equal to only A, so D3 is equal to A into, and it is A when inputs are S1 is 1, S0 is 1, so S1. Similarly, write for the D2, D2 is equal to A into S1 is 1, S0 is 0. D1 is equal to A when in S1 is equal to 0, S0 is equal to 1. D0 A when S1 S0 both are zeros. Now you can draw the internal circuit. From the expressions, you can draw the internal circuit. You can check it is similar to decoder 2x4 decoder with enabled input. With enabled input. It is similar as decoder 2x4 decoder with enabled input, where A will be replaced with enabled generally. Okay, you can check that one and you can draw this circuit. This is about the demultiplexer. Generally, mux will be symbolized like this. So we are taking the data from many input lines and giving to the single output. So generally, mux will be represented like this. Selection lines will right here. Dmux 1 to many. 1 to many means like this. This is generally representation. You can represent with a black block also. No problem. Okay. Next topic, binary multiplayer. You need to design a circuit which does multiplication, binary bits multiplication. We are discussing first two-bit numbers binary multiplication. The binary multiplication is similar to decimal multiplication. Now we will see how it is similar. Take two-bit binary numbers. I am taking A, B. These are 2 bits. So A1, A0, B1, B0. These are the 2-bit numbers. Now do the multiplication. How we do the normal multiplication? B0 into A0. Write down that. A0 into B0. Next B0 into A1. So A1 dot B0. Next B1 into A0. This each term is known as partial product. A0, B0, A1, B0 are known as partial product. Okay. Now B1 into A0. Here we'll write A0 into B1. Next B1 into A1. A1 into B1. Now we'll add. Now when you are adding partial products of two 2-bit binary number multiplication, you are getting maximum 2 bits only. Here no need of doing any addition. The result is as it is. The result is as it is, and we will take this one as S0. The result is as it is. And here you are adding two partial products A1 B0, A0 B1, and it will produce one sum. If you add, it will produce one sum and carry. And again, if you add, it will produce some sum and some carry. Okay. So at any stage, you are adding maximum 2 bits. You are adding maximum 2 bits. So for adding 2 bits, which adder we need to use? We are having 2-bit adder, 3-bit adder. 2-bit adder is known as half adder. 3-bit adder is known as full adder. Okay. So here we are getting maximum 2 bits for the addition. So we need only half adder for the implementation. Okay. So okay, we are getting maximum 2 bits for addition of partial products. Partial products means A1 B0, A0 B0, A0 B1, A1 B1. Okay. So use half adder. And see here, we need to produce A0 into B0. Into means AND gate. Product nothing but AND gate. So take A1, A0, B1, B0. Okay. Now first to create the partial products A0, B0. So apply A0 to and B0 to AND gate. It will produce A0 into B0. Next A0, A1 into B0. So apply A1 to one AND gate, B0 to one AND gate. This is A1 into B0. Next A0 into B1. So take A0 and B1. Okay. A0, A1, A0, B1, B0. You need to multiply. So partial products you will get A0, B0. So apply to one AND gate. This is A0, B0. Next A1, B0. So take one AND gate, apply A1 and B0. Next take one more AND gate and get the partial product A0 and B1. This is the B1 and A1. This is A1 naught into B1. This is A1 into B naught. Next, A1 into B1. Right. Okay. Now you got the partial products. Now you need to do the addition. Okay. For the addition of this one, you are not using anything. You are directly taking this one as sum. You are directly taking this one as sum. This is S naught. So S naught is equal to A naught into B naught. Next, for you need to add these two bits through half adder. What is the half adder diagram? It is having two inputs A, B, and outputs sum carry. So draw the half adder. Inputs are A, B, output is sum carry. So apply A1 B naught and A naught B1. This is B. This is one half adder. Now it will produce one sum. Sum is S1. One carry. We apply the carry to the next bit. Okay. Carry is C1. Now you need to add another A1, B1, C1. So take one half adder. Take one half adder. Apply A and B. A, B, and it will produce sum and carry. Sum is equal to H2. This one is S3. Carry, we consider it as a S3. Okay. This is the 2-bit multiplication, 2-bit binary multiplier. For the product, we use AND gate. For the sum, we are using half adder. Okay. It is similar to our normal addition only. For adding, we are using half adder. And for the product, we are using AND gate. That's all. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now, I ask you to try. Okay. 4-bit multiplier. 2 4-bit multiplier. You try to implement 2 to 4-bit multiplier. Okay. If you do not have any doubt, we'll move to the next topic. For the partial products, we are using AND gate. For the addition, we are using adder. Here only 2 bits are there, so we are using half adder. Next. Magnitude comparator. Okay. Magnitude comparator is a combinational circuit which compare relative magnitude of inputs. Two inputs. Okay. General diagram of the magnitude comparator is it is having two inputs A, B, and it is having three outputs, and each one indicates okay less than, greater than, equal. Okay, this indicates A less than B. This indicates A greater than B. This indicates A equal to B. Okay, this is the general block diagram of the magnitude comparator. Okay, if L is equal to 1, then it indicates A is less than B. If G is equal to 1 and remaining to 0, then it indicates A is greater than B. If both are equal, then E will be 1. E will be 1. Now we go with first two 1-bit magnitude comparator. Two 1-bit inputs, magnitude comparator. So it is having two 1-bits. So A0 is 1 bit, B0 is 1 bit. Okay, and it is having three outputs commonly L, G, E. A less than B, A greater than B, A equal to B. Okay. Now we have to construct the circuit. For the constructing the circuit, we have to follow the design procedure. Design procedure already we are having at the starting of this unit. Okay. So first we have to define the truth table. Truth table means we are having 2 bits A0, B0. These are the inputs. How many outputs? 3, L, G, E. With 2 inputs, we will get the 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. 0, 0. 0, 0 means both are same. So less than 0, greater than 0, equal is 1 because A0, B0 same. Next, A0 is 0. A0 value is small compared to the B0. So A0 is less. So less will be 1, greater than equal will be 0. Here A0 is greater than B0 because A0 is 1. So A0 is 1. Both are equal. E is 1. Next, output expression. When writing the output expression, look for the L wherever it is 1. Here it is 1. So L is equal to 1. And when it is 1, it is 1 when A is not is 0. 0 means bar. So A naught bar into B naught is 1. Next, G is equal to 1. When A naught is equal to 1, B naught bar. E. E is equal to 1. When A naught, B naught both are 0, plus A naught, B naught both are 1. This is A naught bar into B naught bar. This is nothing but A naught X naught. This indicates X naught. A naught, X naught, B naught. Okay. So now you have to draw the circuit. Now writing the expression, we are to follow another method. Okay, this is one way of writing the expression, but as the number of inputs increasing, writing the expression with truth table is difficult. So what we will go with, look, A naught, B naught. Okay, this is the first method for writing expressions, and this will use if the number of input variables are small. Okay, number of inputs are small, we will go with first method. Second method, first L. Okay, when A less than, okay, whenever A naught is 0 and B naught is 1, we'll get less than equal to 1. So A naught is 0 and B naught is 1, we'll get less than equal to 1. So A naught is 0. So make it a bar, and B naught is 1. So write B naught. Next, greater. When it will be greater than will be 1? When A is 1 and B naught is 0. So A naught is 1. So A naught, B naught is 0, B naught bar equal. When it will be equal, whether these two are 0 or 2 are 1. 2 are 0 means A naught, B naught bar, A1 naught, B naught. This is nothing but A naught XOR B naught. Okay. You can feel it is similar to above one, but when the number of inputs are increasing, you can feel the difference. Okay. Now, internal circuit you can draw. Internal circuit, draw A naught, B naught. First A naught bar. This is A naught bar, B naught. This is AND. This is less than. Less than means A less than B. Next, A naught into B naught bar. This is greater. Next, A naught, X naught, B naught. A naught, one input, B naught, one input, X naught. This is equal. This is the internal diagram of 2 1-bit comparator. Okay. Now we'll go with the 2 2-bit magnitude comparator. Two 2-bit means A is 2 bits, 2 bits, A1, A0, this is A. B is 2 bits, B1, B0, and same 3 outputs, less than, greater than, equal. Now truth table. For the truth table, write 4 combinations, less than, greater than, equal. How many combinations you will get? 4 inputs. So you will get 16 combinations. 0 0 0 2 1 1 1 1, 16 combinations. With for 16 combinations, define LGE and write down the expression. This is the first method I told you. But writing these 16 combinations and checking, it is okay for the 4 inputs. For example, if you want to compare 2 4 bits, 2 4-bit means total inputs are 8. So how many combinations you will get? 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8 means 256. It is not possible to complete within specified time. So we have to go with the second method. In the second method, A1, A0, B1, B0. Okay, ma. Now, first how to write the L expression. Imagine two numbers, and when A will be lesser, first we will compare the bit. This is the MSB bit. From right to, from left to right, we will do the comparison. If A1 is 1 and B1 is 0, we do not bother about the A0, B0. We do not bother about the A0, B0. Okay. If A1 is 1, whatever this may be number. If B1 is 0, whatever it may be this number. We can say A less than B. So A1 is 1, B1 is 0. A1 is 1 means A1, B1 is 0. So B1 bar. Okay, this is one combination. And when we will say if both are equal, whether A1 and B1 are both are equal. Okay, whether A1 is 0, B1 0, or A1 is 1, B1 is 1. Then for to decide which is lesser, we will go for the next bit. We will go with the next bit. And so if A1 and B1 are same, equal means X NOR. So A1 X NOR B1. Okay. Then we look for the A0 bit. We look for the A0 bit. In the A0 bit, when we will get A less than B, if A0 is equal to 0 and B0 is equal to 1. So A0 is equal to 0. A0 is equal to 0 bar B0 is equal to 1. In this case only, we will say less than or equal to 1. Next, look for the greater. When we will get the greater than expression equal to 1. A1, A0, B1, B0. First, we'll compare the MSB bit. If A1 is 1 and B0 is 0, we do not bother about the A0, B0. Then we will say A is greater than number. So A1 is 1, B1 is 0. Then if both are equal, A1 and B1 are both are equal. Equal means X NOR. Then we look for the lower bit, that is A0, B0. Here, when we will say A is greater, if A0 is 1, B0 is 0, we will say A is greater than B. So A0 is 1, B0 is 0. Next, E, equal. When we will say A is equal to B, if A1 is equal to B1, A0 is equal to B0, we will say both are equal. Equal means X NOR. So A1 is equal to B1. So A1 X NOR B1 into A0 is equal to B0. Equal means X NOR. In this case only, we will say both are equal. This is the writing the expression. Now you can construct the internal diagram. Okay. Next, okay, from the expressions you draw internal diagram. Draw logic diagram from the expressions. Okay, from the expressions you draw the logic diagram. Now we'll go with 2 4-bit magnitude comparator. So A is 4 bits, B is 4 bits. A, B, and 3 outputs less than, greater than, equal. Okay, these are A3, A2, A1, A0, B3, B2, B1, B0. Truth table is one way, but truth table is takes lot of time. 2 to the power of 8, 256 combinations are there. So A3, A2, A1, A0, B3, B2, A1, B0. Now writing the output expression. Okay. When we say A is lesser than B, first we will compare A3 bit. First we will compare A3 and B3. If A3 is 0, A3 is 0. 0 means bar. And B3 is 1. A3 is 0, B3 is 1. We will say A less than B. What is the next combination? Whenever we are going to the next combination, we have to write the place. If A3, B3 are equal, we will compare A2, B2. A3, B3 equal. Equal means XNOR. Now we look for the next bit, A2. When we say A is less than B, if A2 is 1, A2 is 0, B2 is 1. So A2 bar B2. Next. Again, next bit, if A2 and B2 also same, A3 XOR B3 into A2 XOR B2. Now we will look for the A1 B1. If A1 is 0, B1 is 1. Next, we will write the bit 3 XNOR press A3 XOR B3, A2 XOR B2, A1 XOR B1. Then we look for the A0 B0. When A0 is 0 and B0 is 1, we will say A less than B. This is the less than expression. Write on your own greater than expression. Just keep the bar to the B3. That's all. You will get the expression. Okay. A3 into B3 bar plus this term is common. A2 into B2 bar like that. Okay. X equal. When we say equal, A3 is equal to B3, A2 is equal to B2, A1 is equal to B1, A0 is equal to B0. Equal means XNOR. So A3 XOR B3, A2 XOR B2, A1 XNOR B1, A0 XNOR B0. Okay. For the greater than expression, keep the bar to B3 like A3 B3 bar plus A3 XNOR B3 bar into A2 B2 bar, so on. You write the remaining. Okay. Now for this you have to draw the internal diagram. Draw internal diagram. You can draw the internal diagram. Okay. This is about the magnitude comparator. Magnitude comparator is used to compare relative magnitudes of the two inputs, and it will produce three outputs less than, greater than, equal. Okay, this is about the magnitude comparator. And if you have any doubt regarding magnitude comparator, you can ask me. Next topic, code చెప్పమ్మా.
Sir, in the two-bit magnitude, you wrote A1 XOR B1 whole not.
ఓకే అమ్మా, అది ఏ కాంబినేషన్?
Not by-
లెస్ దాన్ కా, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ కా, ఈక్వల్ కా? దేనికి నువ్వు మాట్లాడుతుంది?
less than
లెస్ దాన్ కా అమ్మా. సి అమ్మా, A3 B3 సారీ A3 A2 A1 A0 B3 B2 B1.
two-bit magnitude.
అమ్మా ఇంకోసారి చెప్పు.
2-bit magnitude, sir. 4-bit cars.
2-bit magnitude comparator. Okay. A1 A0 B1 B0. చెప్పు. ఇందులో ఎక్కడమ్మా ప్రాబ్లం?
సార్ ఇక్కడ మీరు ప్లస్ అని రాశారు సార్. అంటే
while we are moving to the next combination, we have to write the plus amma. A1 అందులో ఏ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ నీకు డౌట్?
లెస్ దెన్ ఒకసారి.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. See amma, here when we say A is lesser than B, A is less than B, so we'll write the combinations for your understanding more betterly. When A is 0 0, okay, when A1 is 0 and B1 is 1, okay, then we will say A is lesser than B. So A1 is 0, 0 means bar, B1 is 1. Okay, this is one combination. And next combination, while going to the next combination, keep plus. And if A1 B1 are equal, then we'll decide the magnitudes depending upon A0 B0. When A1 B1 are equal, equal means X NOR. So A1 X NOR B1. Then we look for the A0 B0. And when we will say A is lesser than B, A1 B1 are equal. Now we will decide A less than B depending upon A0 B0 value. If A0 is 0, B0 is 1, then we can say A less than B. A0 is 0 means A0 bar, B0 is 1 means B0. This is the expression. No? Okay?
understood.
Okay, okay. Code converters. Okay. First code converter is binary to gray code converter. Binary code to gray code converter. First we will discuss in this case one, 2-bit binary to gray converter. So the input you would give to a binary code. Okay, code converter is nothing but it is a combination circuit. At input we will apply one code and the circuit will convert into another code. Okay, if you apply a coded input, this combinational circuit will convert into a coded output. Here we are taking 2-bit binary number. 2-bit binary number I am taking as B1, B0, 2 bits, and it will converting into the gray code G1, G0. Okay, input is you are applying binary number, output is gray code. Now, to design anything, follow the design procedure. Design procedure is first step is truth table. Okay, B1, B0, G1, G0. Okay, with 2 combinations, with 2 inputs, we will get 4 combinations. Okay, this is the binary sequence. What is the gray code sequence? Gray code sequence. With mirror image, we can create the gray code. 0, 1, keep one mirror, 1, 0, fill upper bits with 0, lower bits with 1. So this is the gray code. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now, output expression. Write output expression. Output expression means wherever G1 is 1, look, when input is 3 and 2. So G1 is equal to B1 bar B1 into B0 bar plus B1 into B0. Look for G0. G0 is 1 when B1 is bar, B0 is 1. Next it is 1. Okay, this is nothing but B1 XOR B0. Okay, this is CMA. B1 you can take common, B0 plus B0 bar. B0 plus B0 bar nothing but 1. So this is B1. So G1 is equal to B1. G1 not is equal to B1 XOR B0. So B1, B0 are the inputs. G1 is equal to direct G1. B0 is equal to okay. This is the 2-bit binary to gray code converter, and you try 3-bit binary to gray converter. Okay, you all of you try at home 3-bit binary code to gray code converter. Okay, you will get B2, B1, B0, G2, G1, G0. Write the binary code sequence and gray code sequence and find out the expressions. That is okay. And we have to discuss binary to XS3 converter like this. There are so many converters. We will take one more example and we will complete the 4 converters topic. Then we have 2 topics, BCD to 7-segment display and BCD adder. Okay, in the next class we will complete the unit 4, and in the next week we will start the unit 5. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me. We will end the session. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఏ రోజు క్లాస్ ఆ రోజు నేను అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. ఒకసారి డయాగ్రామ్స్ చూసుకొని 2 tables డిజైనింగ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. రైట్, ఎండింగ్ ద సెషన్.